Visit goalplanner.io. Click Start Planning for free and sign in. Once you log in, you'll see the dashboard where you can view your active goals, completed goals, total goals, and your overall progress. You can easily create a new goal by clicking the Create New Goal button. Then, fill in all the relevant details about your goal, such as its name, category, priority, start date, end date, and a detailed description. You can also add strategies, plans, and AI reflections to support your goal. You can add checkpoints to each goal, whether as simple milestones or numerical targets. For example, if you want to build a routine for 32 days and have completed 20 days, the app will automatically track your progress accordingly. You can also mark your goals as favorite or featured for easier access and better organization. You can then use the daily planner to create your hourly daily schedule, organize your top 3 priorities, set reminders, manage calls/emails, plan for tomorrow, write daily affirmations, and add notes. At the end of the day, you can save your routine and review your previous days through the history section. You can also complete your daily check-ins by tracking habits such as hydration, healthy eating, and exercise, while also adding personal notes for reflection. In addition, you can create and manage your weekly plans, make edits whenever needed, and view the history of your weekly planning. The Insights section helps you track your overall performance by showing your active goals, completed goals, failed goals, check-ins, and overall progress. You can also explore helpful articles on topics related to self-improvement and productivity. If you have questions about different topics, you can find useful guidance and resources there as well. If you'd like to use the platform on your phone, you can also download it as a mobile app from the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store under the name Goal Planner Life Plans. Both the website and mobile app are fully synced, so any changes you make on your phone will automatically reflect on the website and vice versa. Thank you for using Goal Planner Life Plans. We hope it helps you stay focused, organized, and consistent in achieving your goals, one step at a time.